is aquamarine cocktail. So first, we have the ingredients: the GSM blue light seed, the blue Gatorade, Sprite, and the 5 ml juice of a lemon. And then we have the lemon for garnish, the lemon slice, and the lemon peel. So let's start. So as you can see, we have the shaker and the jigger for measuring the beverages. So we need to measure 3 parts of gin. Next is 3 parts of Sprite. Parts of Gatorade, blue Gatorade. And for the last ingredient, the 5 ml lemon juice. Next, we need to put an ice and we need to shake it.